Here. Here.
Who's that?
What's your name again?
And Wilson.
What's Daddy's name?
Kevin.
What's Daddy's last name?
Black.
What's Mommy's name?
Black.
You're such a smart girl.
Becca Wilson.
Kevin, Becca, Ann Wilson.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse Wilson or Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
What about B? What's B's last name?
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Oh, it's Buzz.
That's a good last name.
C. Buzz, buzz, buzz. B.
Is this one of your favorite music CDs ever? Tell Daddy what kind of birds we saw today. Did we see a blue jay? What else? What else did we see today? Do you remember? Well, we saw a bird, we didn't know what it was, and we still don't quite know. But you think it was a cowbird? Or a catbird?
Cat.
Or a catbird? What other kind of birds do you like?
No.
What other kind of birdies do you like?
What's your favorite kind of bird?
Do you like cardinals or robins better?
Cardinals.
What about chickadees? Do you like chickadees? Knocking Daddy over! Do you like chickadees? What are you doing to your daddy? Are you trying to knock him over?
What's your favorite bird?
What about?
What do cardinals say? And what do robins eat?
Buzz, buzz.
Worms and bugs, yeah.
We saw one eat a worm today, didn't we? Didn't we see a robin pick a worm out of the ground and go, yum, 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 yum?
Shit.
You rolling out your dough? Show Daddy the cake you made for Thomas's birthday, right? It's a bundt cake.
Oh wow! What flavor cake is it? Is it a vanilla flavor cake? Is it vanilla flavor?
Good job.
You're
Cutting
mixing.
pieces.
You cutting pieces or are you mixing it up?
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh, you're stuck now, aren't you?
Not quite, Daddy.
Wow.
Talented.
And you're gonna give B some cake? No, 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 no.
I don't think B would fit in there. B's kind of large. It's a large B cake. B-hat.
Are you being silly?
B-hat.
T.
Who's that? What do you have?
Shell.
You have to show Daddy. You have to back it up. Can you stand back a little bit? We'll show, and you can show Daddy what you have.
Shell.
Snail. What color is the snail?
Green.
Green. Yeah. You sit on Daddy's lap. You sitting on Daddy's lap now? See how talented Daddy is? Hmm?
You want to show Daddy any more of your toys? You want to show him any other toys? You tell him all the names and all the things?
Cake.
What are you having there? What's that?
Cake.
Is it a tea party? Or a birthday party?
Whose party is it? Oh, that looks good. What flavor is that?
Hot chocolate.
It's hot chocolate flavor? You gonna give some to Mommy?
Thank you, sweetie. Who are those guys? You tell Daddy all their names?
Can you show me the name your trains and tell me their names?
Oh, are you shy now? You're acting kind of shy?